There are 77 districts in my country. There are 416 municipal electricity in our country. There are 276 metropolitan cities in my country. There are 11 sub-metropolitan cities in my country. There are 14 zones in my country. There are 6 constructions in my country. There are 144 caste in my country. Christmas is national holiday in my country. Holi is a national feast in my country. Brazil is a national bird in my country. Nepal is national language in our country. There are 3 religions in my country: Dravidian, Himali religion, and Pahari religion. Thank you.
Also our teacher and all my dear friends. Please accept my warm good morning. It's Mirav Kumar Giri from class 7A. Now I am very happy to get opportunity to tell about my country Nepal. The name of my country is Nepal. Nepal is located in South Asia. It is my country Nepal is between China and India. It is a long country. The majority population of Nepal is Hindu.
Good morning to everyone. Really very much happy chance to meet you about our country. It's me Seha Kumari Patel. I read in class 7A. Nepal is a smallest country in Asia located in between India and China. Nepal has so many beautiful country. The capital city is Kathmandu in Nepal. Nepal is a truly beautiful country. Nepal is a country Mount Everest and birthplace of Gautam Buddha. It is famous for flag of Nepal. The national flag of Nepal is very unique flag of Nepal. The Nepal is a very sun and moon on it. Thank you very much.
Also our teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Mona Kumar. I am from class 7B. Today I am going to start my topic. My topic is our country. My topic name is our country. My country name is Nepal. Nepal is poor country but rich in biodiversity. It have MD Everest is proud of our country. MD Everest is the longest mountain of the world. Nepal has 77 districts and 14 zones. Nepal, there are 14 zones in our country. There are 7 provinces in our country. There are many people in our country. There are 2 crore 49 lakhs 48,000 in people our country. Thank you.
Everyone, respected teacher, teacher and all my dear friends. It's me Manji Patel. I am in class 7A. Now I am going to start my topic. My school name is Sri Sita Secondary School. It is located in Birgaj Parsa district. It was started in June 2028. Just it from PG play group.
To 12.
To class 12. Almost the class have 2 sections. Each section has more than 2,000 students. There are 3 big buildings which block A, block B, block C. There are 390
39.
teacher.
The life
all my dear friends of this school. Please accept my warm good morning. It's me Pradeep Pandula from class 7A. I am very happy to get a chance to speak in front of you all about my country. The name of my country is Nepal.
Country.
The name of my country is Nepal. It is situated in South Asia. It is poor but rich in biodiversity. It has Mount Everest. The Mount Everest is highest peak
In the world.
in the world. It is famous for Burkhali. The national animal of my country is cow. The national bird of my country is Locophorus. Thank you very much for listening me silently. See you again.
You all expected to get this for and all my dear friends. This is Mr. Plaza from class 7B. Now I am going to start my topic. My topic is about the cow. Cow is a restaurant. Cow is a restaurant. Cow has 4 legs and 2 eyes. Cow has 2 ears and 1 tail. Cow give us milk. Now I am going to start my topic. Thank you.
Hello, good morning, all my dear Indian. This is Malaysia from class 7B.
My
Now
topic.
I am going to start my topics. My school name is Sista Secondary School.
It is in Birgunj.
It is
Located.
located in Parsa, Birgunj, Parsa district.
There are many buildings
It was
established.
established in 28 best.
Hello everyone, respected teacher, principal and all my dear friends. It's me Munak Mariana from class 7B. Now I'm going to start my topic. My topic is my country. My country's name is Nepal. Nepal is poor country but rich in biodiversity. Nepal it have Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the longest mountain in the world. It has traveled in our country. There are 7 districts in my country. There are 7 provinces in my country. My country is very beautiful. Now thank you.
Hey.